if you are just joining this channel or if you don't know me, my name is Dr. Olowofoyeku. I'm not a medical doctor, but the doctor comes from the PhD I have in drug development from plants. Okay, so I'm Dr. Olowofoyeku and I am a drug developer from plants and the CEO of Useful Herbs, and this is my channel. So if you've been seeing all our videos and you don't know me, I'm introducing myself to you. Alright, so today I am going to talk about a particular species of yam. It is called Dioscorea bulbifera, and this is the species. We call it Ishu Emina in Yoruba. I'm Yoruba, and we call yam Ishu in Yoruba. Emina, Ishu Emina is this species of yam. It's also called bitter yam in English. All right, so I want to quickly do a discussion on this plant because I had promised to do that earlier on, but I never really got the time to do it, so I decided to do it now. Ishu Emina or Dioscorea bulbifera, it is a very interesting plant. It is one of those very useful plants that are also toxic. So it is used widely in traditional medicine all over the world, and it has a lot of beneficial properties. It has antibacterial properties, in fact very strong antibacterial properties. It has anti-cancer properties, it has antiviral properties, and you know, when you look at its many uses, these are linked to the different properties it has, particularly its the property for having antibacterial effects. So one of its uses in traditional medicine is its use for infections as well as asthma, cough, throat infections, and so on and so forth. However, despite its use, it is also hepatotoxic. Hepatotoxic means something that is toxic to the liver, so it should be used with care. Now, it is such a wonderful plant. You can see the one I have is sprouting. I actually intend to plant it because apart from the tuber itself, its roots, its leaves, its stem, its leaves are also very beneficial for the health. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to use it for anything oral, but it has very, very interesting uses for skin care, particularly for skin infections, antifungal infections, bacterial infections. So, 3 when I went on a field trip. So I'm going to use 1 to plants, and then the rest I'm going to use them for our skin care products, particularly our antifungal skin care. So Dioscorea bulbifera, you need to speak to somebody who is well versed in plant medicine, because there are ways to detoxify it if you want to use it for oral use. Okay, so you speak to somebody who is well versed so that you do not use it and it damages the liver, because it is very toxic to the liver. So it should be used with care. Yeah, so this is Ishu Emina. It's also edible, although it has a bitter taste, and I will advise you, if you want to eat it, do not eat it in large quantities, just tiny amounts, and it should be roasted or cooked. All right, yes, so that is Dioscorea bulbifera for you. My name is Dr. Abosede Olowofoyeku. I am a plant chemist and I develop drugs and cosmetics from plants and herbs. This is my channel.